Hello and welcome to my art spa. My name is Anna and today I'm gonna do this quick double page art journal using collage and a few items because I am not home, I am traveling. So I just brought a few things with me and yeah, and I just want to do this, well, you've seen already the after, but I'm gonna show you how I did this quick collage with very limited supplies and a few magazine pages. And yeah, I like the way it turned out. And that's my travel kit. I am actually in Neu-Ulm, a city on the state of Bavaria in Germany. I'll put some pictures here for you to see. It's a very charming city. And I chose this Freiheit because I'm on vacation. So it's all about freedom right now. I thought it spoke to me when I saw the word Freiheit. And that was the inspiration for this piece with butterflies and flowers. Anyway, let me show you how everything started. These are the images I pre-selected for this trip, and I thought the colors were absolutely beautiful, and I figured I could do a collage with them. So I tore the pages. I have not only colors but textures and a lot of fun shapes. I got a couple flowers and that moth and a book page. So this is what I have. Let's see now the process. And let me just accelerate through this. I basically cut all the parts where I had the colors that were getting my attention. And I'm gonna do cutting. I want straight edges. Here's the word Freiheit. And I'm gonna do a mix of some bright colors, and I get also some not so bright, the parts that are more like beiges and light colors. And then I'm measuring the page so I can cut my border. I always like to have borders. And I'm not cutting the flowers precisely, I'm just going around, making like a scallop edge, if you may. So, and then I'm gonna just kind of eyeball the pieces what I wanted them to go. And there you go. Now it's all glued down, and I just now have to work on the details. So let's see what I'm gonna do. I'm doing the voiceover because I'm not far from the train station, and it gets very loud sometimes. So I had to do a total voiceover on this video. There you go. I'm doing I brought my acrylic paint. So I'm putting some whites because it was a very busy background. However, I forgot my brushes, so I'm doing my fingers. And if you just tap, this is a very thick acrylic paint, and I'm just tapping, 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 and that gives a little bit of texture. It's a very interesting effect you get if you're just tapping the paint with your fingers. And what I try to do is to put some white in there to break down because it's a very busy. So there, what I plan on putting my focal point, I'm gonna put some white. And as you will notice, I try to go from edge to edge. I'm gonna bring that paint all the way to the bottom, as well as try to touch the top edge of my page so that it looks like it has a flow. So that's what I'll be doing. And then I'm gonna have to let it dry, and I'll come back with the next step. It's all nice and dry. So I decided that I need some more texture. So I'm using some mark making stamps with my Stazon black ink. These little details can add a lot of interest to your pages. Well, the next step is to add some more color. I'm picking the orange and green from that focal point from my flower, and I'm just gonna do it a few spots around the pages. This crayon I'm using, it's called the Artist Crayon. It's a water-soluble crayon. It's the equivalent of what, Neocolors or gelatos. So yeah, anything to add more color. I like busy, so I put the white, but now I'm feeling like I need a little more splash of color and that to go with the focal point and to contrast with the pink and purples that I already had on a page. So I'll be doing that, and then moving on, I'm just placing quickly the images again to get an idea of how things are gonna go. And once I'm happy, I'll glue them down. There you go. Lastly, I trace the images with my black Posca pen to make them pop. And that's it. It was a fun project and it was easy to do it on the go. I hope you enjoy. I hope I give you some inspiration. And thanks for watching. I'll see you again next week. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye.